Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a quality audience on Facebook. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. As you can see, this is my Facebook profile. I'm going to show you 5 ways on how to create a quality audience on your Facebook profile. Alright, so number 1, Facebook banner. This is really important because this is the first thing people see when they go to your profile. It is your Facebook banner. Alright, so make sure you make it look professional. You know, just show people what you're all about. Alright, so for example, for mine, I got a graphic guy to do mine for me. Obviously, you can do it yourself on Canva, Photoshop if you're really good at this stuff. But you know, I thought I'd save a lot of time, get someone else to do it, pay that person. And what we got here is a professional banner, guys. So right here, I have a call to action, which is my branded website, right? People are going to see that. And, you know, maybe they want to check that out, right? And then maybe down the line, I'll start earning passive income from whatever is on my website, whatever is on your website, right? So also I show people that I'm all about helping other people live life on their terms, right? I'm showing everyone that's what I'm all about. All right, I have my name here. I show that I am an online entrepreneur, investor, and healthy lifestyle builder. When I say investor, I mean I am a forex trader and mentor as well. So right here in my intro, I emphasize that here, forex trader, mentor. And you know, yeah, just to show people what I'm all about, guys. So if you are in the fitness industry, right, maybe you can put fitness coach. If you are a life coach, put life coach. So whatever niche that you're in, make sure you show people what you're all about on your Facebook banner. Okay, so when I say healthy lifestyle builder, guys, you can be creative with this. You can be funky with it. For example, if you are, you know, affiliate marketing, you can put like affiliatology. You know, you can be funky with it, right? So when I say healthy lifestyle builder, what I mean is I help people grow as a person. You know, personal development is really important. And as you can see on my page, I provide lots of value just to motivate people, to help people grow in their life, guys. Right here in my video, who is writing your story? And I was talking about, you know, who is in control of your life. You know, take control of your life. Stop worrying about what other people are saying, what they will say when you step out of your comfort zone. You know, that all refers back to being a healthy lifestyle builder. You know, it's all about positive energy. I love giving out positive energy and I get that in return. All right, so on the right side, guys, make sure you edit your Facebook banner. As you can see with mine, you can put your life story here, where you started from and where you are right now, or whatever niche that you're in, guys. Whatever you want to promote, you can put on your banner. As you can see, I say click the link below if you want to get access to my #1 recommended passive income stream. And I put a link right here for people to click on. All right, so for example, if you have a Facebook group and you want to direct people there, you can make this banner all about your Facebook group, guys. If you want to direct people to your YouTube channel, you can make this Facebook banner all about your YouTube channel. It is up to you. All right, so that's #1, guys. Facebook banner, really important. So number 2, Facebook profile. It is important to have a professional Facebook profile. Guys, as you can see with mine, do not put a picture of your dog. Do not put a picture of your cat, your car. Guys, unless you're in the car niche, unless you're in the dog niche, right? Then you can put a picture of you and a dog, you and a car, right? So whatever niche that you're in, you can portray that on your profile pic. But obviously for me, I am an online entrepreneur, investor, right? I'm branding myself. I put a picture of myself. Okay, so the third thing, guys, is the intro. This is just extra validation on what you're all about. Okay, so for example, I put FX Trader Mentor here, and that goes with the investor on my Facebook banner. Okay, internet marketer, that goes with, you know, being an online entrepreneur. Right, so it's just extra validation on what you're all about. So if you're in the fitness industry, obviously, you know, fitness coach or life coach, business coach, whatever niche you're in, make sure you put that in the intro. Okay, so number 4, guys, it is the featured photo section. Make sure you leverage this. It's really important because on mobile, people will really see this. And as you can see with mine, I have 2 arrows pointing down to both of my links. All right, so I am directing people to where I want them to go. Right, so I have a link of my YouTube channel, and I have a link to an opt-in page to take them to my #1 recommended income stream. So wherever you want to direct people, say for example to your own, you know, Facebook group, you can direct them to your Facebook group right here. Okay, guys, the last one, number 5, is to provide value on your Facebook wall. Do not come on Facebook and pitch about your business every single day. That's going to show people that you're money hungry and all you care about is making money and not helping people win. Okay, so make sure, guys, really important, provide value on your wall, and pique curiosity by posting a business post. All right, so for example, for mine, be the CEO of your life. All right, provide value, help someone click, right? There may be a lot of people out there going through their breaking points in life. And if they see something like this, be the CEO of your life, they might be like, man, you know, that's what I want to do. I want to be the CEO of my life. I'm sick of what I'm doing. I'm sick of my job. I'm going to take action right now, take the steps needed to get where I want to be. All right, guys, really important. Value, who is writing your story. A video of me telling people to take life by the throat. You know, control your own life. Don't let other people tell you what to do. Don't let other people, you know, dictate your future, right? So video marketing is really important as well. And I recommend you do that on your Facebook wall. So value, more value. You only have one life. Die with memories, not dreams. And right here, guys, this is my curiosity post. Right, this is my curiosity post showing people, you know, how I'm making money, and people are more likely to engage on your business post when you're providing more value. All right, guys, so really important. As you can see, I got 33 comments on this post. You know, I said I dropped a video showing how to go from a $49 investment to $8,982 monthly passive income. Drop a 1 and I'll shoot you the info. All right, guys, so a bunch of people drop 1s and a bunch of people, you know, I need this. You know, this guy's saying boom. You know, I also got a lot of encouragement on my post. And that comes from providing value, guys. That comes from providing value. So when you start posting your business post, people will be more inclined to join you, more inclined to check what you got. All right, guys, so I hope you got value from this video showing you the 5 ways to create a quality audience on your Facebook profile. All right, so basically you have to show people that you are quality, that you are worth getting into business with, and that you will help solve their problem. So go out there, guys, implement this 5 ways on your Facebook profile and crush it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video, guys, if you want to see more of me. I'll see you guys in the next video.